tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now guys, you can be notified each time I upload another video. Only thing you have to do is hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell twice, give me a thumbs up, leave me comments, and you have now become a part of the Precious family. Yes. Now guys, today I will be coming to you with a small haul because I'm getting ready to use some of this stuff in my video. So it's gonna be coming from the Dollar Tree, Lowe's, and guys, I only got a small piece from Ross, so hey. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started because as you know, I am doing my exterior refresh, and so I purchased some stuff for that area as well, and I will be doing tablescape, so I purchased items for my tablescape and just regular decor, okay? So let's get started with the Dollar Tree. Now with the Dollar Tree, I purchased 6 of these black plates because I didn't have solid black plates, and I will be doing a lot with black in this season. So I went on and purchased me 6 of those plates. And I purchased me 6 of the gray plates because I didn't have any gray plates. So anyway, and I think this would be sleek on any type of decor. And it goes with any color, so I got it because it was neutral. So I didn't have any square white plates, so I went on and picked up me 6 of these as well. And just for the salad plate, I picked up 6 of the black ones. This will match my black dinner plate. I got 6 of the gray. I have 6 of the square white. And I have 6 of like the turquoise. And I have 6 of the like lime green. But anyway, that's what I got for my plates, guys. And I will be doing a lot of tablescape in this season. Okay guys, my husband picked up 2 of these for me. It's the Fire TV sticks. And I think these was probably $55 for both, coming off of Amazon. Okay, and this is supposed to take the place of my cable box. So I purchased 2 because my TV didn't have like the Roku on it and some other. Yeah, it's supposed to have the Roku on it, but 2 of my TVs did not. Only one of my TVs had the Roku on it, and so I didn't have to purchase one for that particular TV, but I got it for 2 of the TVs. And my small TV, I don't care about that other thing. I mean, we just watch that just when we're sitting down eating because it's small, it's not in the way, so we don't need no Fire stick for that. Okay guys, so here is my Ross man, and guys, his name is Hermes, okay? And I picked up this from Ross, and guys, Ross only have 1. I don't know why they only bring in 1 piece. You have to run all over the place trying to go from Ross to Ross, trying to find a mate, but by the time you get there, somebody else already got it. So it's like you can only get one piece at a time. So when I can pick up another one, if Ross have another one later on, I would most definitely pick that up. And guys, this here was $14.99. Okay, and I think I priced some of these online, and they can range from $58 on up to like $200 and something. But guys, you know me, I shop on a budget, so I'm not paying no $200 for this. $14.99 is fine. You probably can't tell the difference from the real thing anyway. So I like the knockoff that look like the expensive stuff, okay? Okay guys, so that's it for my small haul as far as the interior. Now I'm going to take you outside and show you the items that I got for my exterior. I'm not finished purchasing everything for the exterior. I'm just purchasing it as needed. There is a lot more stuff that I have to purchase because guys, I am doing my exterior spring refresh cleaning, and I have already started that series. You will see the first series is where I did how to remove crud from your sidewalk and your house, and I came in with another video on how to make your driveway seem clean as new and painting my porch and my deck. So those are two separate videos. I will have them in the description box below. Go ahead on, ride with me on that series, and I'm gonna show you what we will be doing for the outside. So let's go to the outside and see what I purchased. See you outside. Guys, before I step outside to show you those items, I forgot about the two items that I picked up at home. The At Home store. And these are my sconces from At Home. And they were $44.99. And I purchased two of them. And guys, I am getting ready to put these on the wall, so that's why I got these out now. Okay, here's my Lowe's haul. And guys, I went there to purchase double knockout red roses. And guess what? These was about to die. And they had these on clearance for $5. I had them now for probably like a week. And so see how I'm bringing them back to life. But when I first picked them up, guys, the leaves was just brown. I mean fried. And so the guy said, well, we going to just discount these for $5. Would you like them? I said yes. So I took them for $5. You know, they normally run about maybe $19, something like that. Okay, so here is my other little plants that was about to die. They were the same way. Leaves was brown, and here's the name of them. And so I was telling the guy that every plant that I picked up that I really came here for, other than the rose bush, they was dead. And so he said, well, I can let you have these for $1. He said, do you want them? And I said, yeah. So the lady was telling me, hey, you know, you can bring them back to life, you can do this and do that. I was just acting like I didn't know how to bring them back alive so I can get them for $1. And so, yes, and I picked up some topsoil. I picked up 5 of these, and I think they was like $1.67 per bag. So I got 5 of the topsoil for my flower beds. And I needed some more river rocks because somehow I lose rocks from my flower bed each year. And so Lowe's had these for, I think they was like $4. I think it was like right at $4, $3.90 something. Okay, so I picked up 10 of the river rocks. Okay, and so here go some more of the river rocks, and as you can see, my little area need much attention there. So, and I also picked up, I think it was 5 cans of the spray paint because my husband is getting ready to paint my patio chairs because okay guys, so guys, before I go out and spend money, I just want to try to salvage what I have, okay, before I just go out and spend unnecessary money. Okay guys, so this is the end of my haul, and I thank you so much for watching me as I show you what I picked up from my haul. So guys, I will see you in the next video, and if you have not subscribed, you want to be notified when I upload my series, the remaining of my series, hit the notification bell twice, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave comments. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.